Hi, hello everyone. This is the 8th of August, sorry 7th of August at the Angry Birds Activity Park. So this is it. So we are going to the ticketing area. See. Hi, excuse me, sir. What's your name? What?
Andre.
Where are you now? Where is it? Malaysia. Which part of Malaysia? Which part of Malaysia? Okay, come we go inside, alright? Say hi to the camera. Mighty Andre me. Alright. Locker. Hey, yes, Andre? Yes? Where should we put our shoes at? Okay, okay, this is the Angry Bird Activity Park locker and the locker deposit. Alright, so this is where you're gonna put your shoes. Okay, now we put our shoes at one of the racks. Okay, let's go in. Here, let's put it here. Alright, oh yeah, and then they have fixed the tags for us. Look, where's the tag? Alright. Okay. Okay, and then we just been informed by the staff that you are not allowed to bring our water bottle, so you're gonna put it here because there's a cafe inside. So we come out. Yeah, we got no choice. Mighty Andre, we have to put our here. Okay, so later we come back and take. Okay, let's go inside. Come on, hold your daddy's hand. Oh, this is the entrance there. Okay, Loompa.
Take picture then you go.
Okay, never mind. Thank you. Oh, okay. This is the map. This is the map of the activity park. Okay, look here. Take a picture here, Andre. Smile. Alright, let's go inside. It's like a maze. Oh, Mighty Andre Me Activity Park. What do we have here? Oh, the first stop. Oh, it's an air gun. Okay, come on, let's go and play. You have to queue up, love. So basically, this is the air gun. We're gonna take a styrofoam ball and shoot the Angry Bird. Okay, there. There's the Angry Bird is at the top here. There. Hello. Okay, people are playing. Okay, so you have to take the ball and then to shoot. Alright, Mighty Andre me. Okay, woo! Take the ball, load it up here. Take the ball. Alright. Shoot, aim, shoot, aim. Woo! Almost there. Come on, one more time. There, the ball is downstairs here. Come on. Come. May I shoot for you? Can I? Okay, we have to aim this. Okay, wait. Come on, let me shoot. Okay, a little bit lower. Shoot! Yo, we missed a little bit. Whoa, a little bit lower, love. Okay, can I shoot, please? Can I shoot? Okay. Almost. Come on, shoot it. Whoa! Shoot it, aim and kapoo! Go. Yeah. Alright, you know what? I can just like throw it and shoot it from here instead. No! Almost hit it. I didn't use the gun, love. Woo! Okay. Mighty Andre, where are you going? Oh, it's like a playground. Okay. There's like a plastic ball for smaller kids, I believe. Oh, okay, that's a movie place, right? Okay, I'm sure we are gonna stack. Actually, the place just opened. Nobody played this before. Oh, we have a cinema inside. Andre, I'm gonna look at the cinema. Whoa! It's the Angry Birds movie. The bad piggies! Hey! Come on, let's build something, love. Yeah! Garbage! Love! Come on! Yeah! Okay, be right back while we build something good for you guys. Oh, Andre, what have you done? Oh, you're building a fortress, huh? Oh, cool! There's a slide! Hey, how do you build that? Show me, how does the ball roll down? Come on! Woo! Uh-oh, try again. Never give up. Come on, try again, never give up. Maybe probably you start at half. Come on, mighty Andre. Halfway down, halfway down. Woo! What about the green one? Oh no, your fortress dropped. Oh, that's bad. Take the green ball, I don't see. Okay, fine, let's race in this Angry Bird activity park. Cannot! Whoa! Yeah, because you can put it. Come, give me the green one. Give me the green one. Okay, you blue and green. Go. No, you go to get first. Okay, don't touch it, don't touch it. Whoa, that's far. Whoa, it's mine. Okay, I lose. Okay, let's build it. Okay, what?
Let's do a very tall tower.
Alright, come on. We will be right back. Okay. Oh, you're building a high tower. Can it sustain? Alright, climb safe, guys. Always keep safety in mind when you play at home, alright? Are you going to top it up higher? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to put this here. Okay, it's still surviving. It's taller than you, probably 1.3 meters high. What are you building? So I'll just add one more to the tower and see whether it can stand. Just show you that 1.5 meters high. Woo! Alright, almost fall down. Whoa! Okay, this will be my dumbbell. Look, I want to exercise with this. Okay, let's go somewhere else. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go to the big playground. Careful. Always hold the railing. If there's no railing, support yourself. Lean forward. Up. Up. You're on the bridge. Oh, it's a car racer. Okay, we'll go down there later. Okay, cycle. Woo! Can we hatch the egg? Whoa! Is this too small for Daddy? Okay. Is there a slide? Okay. Woohoo! Summer, hey! Mazena hola, ikara soro, imbere zora. Woo! Oh, this is a free fall jump. Come on, let's jump.
No, this is when you've been here before.
Come, I want to jump. Let's jump together. Come on, don't be afraid, mighty Andre, love. Want to jump or not? Okay, you wait for Daddy here. You wait for Daddy here. I want to jump. You wait for Daddy here. Here. Here, go up. Come on, I'm going to jump. This is very confident for me. Mighty Andre me! Okay, this is where you do your high free fall jump. Is it locked? No. It's locked. Means you need to wait for the staff. It's locked. I think it's some kind of a safety precaution. The staff will be present for you to jump. So I guess I'll be back. Never mind, I can just run and jump! Sora. Oh, it's the insane, really activity park. Where you can really jump using the stroke into a big ball of pool. There's trampoline also. Andre, you want to jump inside? Come on, let's go there. There's no one there. Hey, you want to try this confidence jump? 3 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 plus. Here. Trampoline. Woohoo! Okay, this is the instruction. 11 plus. Andre, come on, let's jump. Work. Woo! Andre, come here, Andre. Woo! Andre, here, Andre. Never mind, it's bigger, it's better. Come on, jump, only you and me. I love my family. Don't hold it, come here. No, you come into the center here, come on. Help me up. Okay, come on, again. Never mind, let's jump for one more. This here. Oh, you can climb up here, alright. Let me focus the camera. Alright, nice. It's a huge slide. Hey, we didn't know of this place, right? It's like a private place. We didn't know you can climb here. Come on, climb left. Climb here. Come on. You can do it. Mighty Andre me. Hold on tight. Your feet. Stabilize your feet. Okay, left, right, up. Left, right, push yourself up. Okay, grab that. Okay. One right leg up. Okay. Left leg up. Alright. Right leg up. Okay. No, cannot. Right leg up first. Right leg up. Put your right leg up. Okay. Yeah, left leg up. Alright. Okay. Push your body forward. Grab the second level. Yes. Clever, mighty Andre me. Oh. It's an adventure park. Can daddy go? Oh, I'll break the ropes. Love is a private park. Johor Bahru Angry Bird Activity Park. There's no one here. It's just adjacent to the entrance. And I believe there's a big slide. Okay, where's my side? Hello, what's that? Is it a staircase? It's a rope. I think this is an adventure park. Can you come down here, love? Mighty Andre me, why? Can you show me what's there? Can you take for me the video? And show me what's that there? Where are you? Why? Okay. Where are you, love? Alright, so you're going to go down from here. You can't. You have to turn the other way. Wait. Yes. Hold on. Alright. Feel your legs. Okay. Left, right, down. No. You're going straight down. Yes. Build your confidence. Left, right, down. Your hands move down. Left, right, down. Alright. Be careful. Great job. Okay. Let's playing cheat, but it's okay. What about this? Come up here. It's like a maze. Okay. It's like a web. Go. Can I come? So, woo! I can. Jiggly. Okay, come. Who can reach this top here, Andre? Woo! Woo, love. Climb up. Woo! I'm on the top of the world, looking down in creation. Hey, no, come on, go here. Oh, you can climb. Oh, we didn't know about here. Seriously? You can climb up. You know what? Never mind. Let's check out the slide. Go in from there. Go in. Let's check out the slide. Hello, big fat bird. Hello, black bird. Oh, 4 lanes. 4 lanes of slide. Are you okay? Love? Are you okay? Why?
Climb until here.
What's here? Oh, you have to climb up lah. Okay, Ken. Okay, sini. Sini. Okay, up. Ken, up. I'll help you. You can. Go from here, from the front. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh, he's still sleeping. Oh my god. Is there any other way up? Oh, there is. There is a way up. From the rope. Okay, just play around here. Woo! Master Blaster. Okay, I guess they're closing at 1 now. So, Andre, Matthew, come here. Come here. Look at the camera. Are you happy?
Yes.
Want to come back again? Alright, so can we do other activities now at Johor Bahru today? Say, Mighty Andre Me. Checking out from JB.
Checking out for JB.
Angry Bird Activity Park. Okay, increase your confidence with the videos, okay? Alright? Oh, don't jam their truck. Release, they're stuck. Whoa! Whoa! There's one more there. Left. Whoa! Turn. Faster. Go! Okay, let's build something. Whoa! Accidento! Woo! Hey, be careful with that sausage.
The laser is over there.
Excuse me.
The laser is over there.
No, why not we go to here?
The laser is inside that pit.
Where?
The laser.
Oh, the laser tag. Ah. Hey, he's running. Come on, want to go to the confidence jump or not? Come on. We jump inside here. Come on. Just once, alright? Just once. We jump here, come. Here. Whoa! Come, we run and we jump inside. How? Okay, come. We run and jump. Woo! Oh! Okay, run and jump. Careful, huh? Got children. Wait. Okay, go. Jump forward, huh? Don't stop. Woo! Can I join you? Okay, wait for Daddy. Move to the left. Ah! You having fun? At Joe Angry Bird Activity Park. Alright, I'm stuck. I'm kinda stuck. Can you help your daddy? Okay, be strong. Use your upper body power. Up, push, push, push. Wanna jump one more time? Okay. Hold on, we go to the laser tag. Wait for me. Alright, it took me like 15 seconds to climb up. Oh damn. Come on. Work it. Careful. Let's go to the laser tag. Want to play skateboard? Okay, come. Oh, it's dark, love. Is it open? It's not. Come. It's closed. Okay, 10 years and above. Oh, you're 7. Mighty Andre is 7. Well, check out what we have here in store. Come on. It's a damn skate park. Oh, it's a skate scooter park. Oh, there's also helmets provided. Andre, come on, wait for daddy. Okay, I want to test one scooter, love. Damn, this is just like a simple piece of crap. Whoa, come on. Come climbing up there, love. Hi, woo! Okay, I'll come on here, okay? Woo! Wait for daddy. Wait for daddy. Woo! Alright, that's fun. We're all alone. Pretty mad at the scooter. Alright. Okay. So what do we have here? Soccer ball. Is it even on? So annoying. Come on, just whack the screen. I don't care. Alright. Is there only one ball? There's 2 balls, right?
Score a goal in your chosen colour. 5, 4.
Score!
3,
Shoot!
2, 1.
Oh! Hop! Come on, shoot it, love! Hey! Hey! Shoot!
Come on, Red.
Come on, Red! I'm supposed to score for Red. Let me shoot it.
30 seconds left.
Come on! Shoot!
Green is in the lead.
Shoot! Kick! Kick! Ram the ball! Ram it! Ram it like Beckham! Ram it like Beckham!
10 seconds left.
Ram it like Beckham!
3, 2,
I'm gonna shoot it like Beckham!
it's a draw.
Come on, man!
4,
Shoot, love!
2, 1.
Alright. Okay, Mighty Andre.
Oh, let's ride the car.
Okay. Let's ride the car, love. Where are we going? Get the car? Okay, let's go ride the car. Come on. Okay, come.
Instructions with your team.
Number 1.
Not on yellow. In the
What game
bonus
is this?
set. Not on red.
Red!
Come on, get off the floor.
Red, 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 I'm red!
Number 1.
On the odd numbers. On the even numbers.
Even numbers. 2. Hey, you know what? This game is boring. Let's go and ride the car. Go. Okay, please go here for the go-kart. Okay, turn around, so smile. Hey, Mighty Andre. Okay, go. Okay, is there anyone? Yoo-hoo! Nobody. Huh? Huh?
I think there's nobody here.
Where? But the queue says there. Here. Okay, you climb. Go, 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 go! Okay, go inside. Hello, my love, Mighty Andre. What? Okay, I'll come there. I'm sweating already, but it's okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What do we have here? Oh, oh, again, there's a rope. Oh, it's a secret hideout. Alright. Wanna jump inside?
But there is still continuous there.
Is it? Come on, let's go. Okay. I'm 1.89 meter, my son. And this is probably like 0.89 meter high. What? It's a maze. Seriously? Must we climb? Can I go out without climbing up? Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, that's the stuff over there. We can climb up. There.
Okay.
Wait for Daddy here. You don't move, I'll climb again. Again. Climbing up the free fall. I'm not gonna jump, it's very high. Yeah, I know, but I have to fly back, not front. Demo. Andre? Uh-huh. Okay. Nah, I chicken out because of the posture. I have some back issues. Wait for me, love. Okay, it's 45 minutes into the play. I know it's fun to play, but we must also drink, alright? Drink water to hydrate yourself. Here, the water bottle is here, remember? It's high up here, yeah. Always drink your water when you're playing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, drink like 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, you're recharged. Hey, look what I found. It's a toddler's bicycle park, Andre. Hey, look at this cute bicycle, Andre. Look. Below 5. Oh my, I destroyed it. Sorry. Okay, then. I didn't know you can turn this. Okay, I turn it for you. Wanna sit on top? Hi. Laser quest again. Is it open? It's closed again. Oh, am I supposed to press something? I'll on the flashlight. Okay, never mind. Hold on, guys. Wait. Why are you shooting your father? Oh. Aska. I can't see you, no. I'm looking at you through my lens. Ow! 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 Aska! 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 Oh! Stop hitting my head! Aska! Yeah! Oompa Loompas! Yeah! Oh! I'm not a bad piggy! I'm not a bad piggy! Aska! Okay. Give me the ball. Alright. Slide it down. Come on. I'll let go. Come on. Give me. Whoa. You know what? Is that a game? Huh? Me, we can play? Really? Oh. Woo! Oh, can I play? Oh, there's free games here. Oh, who put? The school. Okay, wow, we can play. Can I try? Okay, never mind. River GB Kid Activity Park. I think this is the birthday function room. Is it? Or is it the external part of the cafe? I don't know, but it's at the second floor. Okay, see? Oh, there's an Angry Bird. Below here is the cafe. Okay, here is the lounge. Cafe basically just sell drinks. So it's a relaxed corner for the family. So those who want to play can find it. Yes, these are the resting place for the parent. Oh, the aircon is very strong here. It's free, you don't have to pay. It overlooks not the entire, I would say just probably 40% of the park. Yeah, there's a lot of sitting areas. It's for public. We have these cute chairs. You can lie on there. There's Mighty on Dreamy.